Okay, I got the quad in the garage right now. It overheated on me last time I used it. Where I was out riding along, and all of a sudden my temperature gauge on my display started flashing. So I pulled over, and sure enough, I could when I turned it off, I could hear it boiling in there in the radiator. So definitely overheating. What for? I don't know yet. I did limp it home. But one of the things I realized is that my fan was not coming on. So I got it home. Next day I cleaned it all off, washed it a whole bit, started it back up. I didn't see any fluids leaking anywhere. When I did check my radiator, and my radiator was topped up, so I'm not losing fluid. So I'm assuming my water pump is doing its job. What I did is I took the radiator cap off, and I started it, and right away my fluid came up like it was going to go over. So I believe that means that my water is circulating. So I guess now the next step is to figure out if my fan is faulty or it's the sensor on the radiator that's faulty, because that sensor would tell my fan to start. This is viewing top of my radiator. That's the cap. That's the connection right here for my fan. I disconnected it because what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire it directly to a 12-volt battery, see if it kicks in. If it kicks in, that means my fan's good. But we're still not out of the woods yet. That could mean that my sensor on my rad is shot, or it could be a fuse. I've got 3 fuse packs here, 1, 2, and 3. And these are known for corroding. See, they're all sealed, but apparently moisture builds up inside, and it's got nowhere to go, and they rust. So probably gonna have to open them up, but I'm trying to avoid that. I'm trying to figure out the wiring for the fan and which one it goes into, so I can open the correct one.